In an RV, you're sleeping and eating just feet away from your bathroom. If there are any odors coming out of your toilet, you want to use Porta-Pak. It's the #1 selling black holding tank treatment worldwide, and for good reason. Porta-Pak is a powerful deodorizing formula contained in a rapid dissolving water-soluble packet. Wallachs invented the dissolvable packet for portable toilet use, and in doing so forever changed the way RV toilets are serviced. It's very easy to use. You just drop one packet in and fill your tank with 5 gallons of water for a 40-gallon tank. If you have a smaller tank, we recommend 1.25 gallons of water for every 10 gallons of tank. Adding enough water is crucial because it allows waste and paper to fall below the waterline. As you can see here, the packet quickly dissolves in water, releasing the active ingredients, which go to work immediately eliminating the odor-causing bacteria. Porta-Pak contains everything necessary to deodorize your tank, so it's important not to mix it with any other chemicals. We recommend adding 1 Porta-Pak every 5 to 7 days, depending on how many people are in the RV. If you're living the van life and you have a 5-gallon or a 2.5-gallon porta potty, you can use Porta-Pak the exact same way. Drop the whole packet in and add water. For a 5-gallon tank, add 3/4 to 1 gallon of water, and for a 2.5-gallon tank, add a ½ gallon of water. Porta-Pak is biodegradable, bronopol-free, formaldehyde-free, and cali-safe. It's available in 2 fragrances, lavender and fresh scent. So when you hit the road on your next adventure, don't forget Porta-Pak. Wherever the road takes you, take Wallachs. For more information on Porta-Pak or any of Wallachs' other RV sanitation products, check out our website or follow us on Instagram.